up, guys, and welcome back to Project SRT. Back with another one. Today, I'm about to get some visual mods done. Right now, I'm out here with a buddy of mine. Got a real clean Daytona, real clean. But we're about to get these letters taken off of here, and we are about to get some tail light overlays. So just stay tuned. We're getting everything done custom, so it's gonna take a little minute. So once we're ready to go, I'm gonna turn this camera back on. What's up, doggy? Probably smell my mom's dog on me.
Yeah, if you got a dog, yeah. Or whoever.
So you just gotta heat it up and then use fish wire.
Yep, fish line.
Pop right off. Like presto.
Slide it right in. Then you use adhesive remover to take off the rest of the adhesive. Take it.
Just repeat that process for all the letters and they're gonna pop off. I need to get me one of those.
It's on for $25.
The heat guns?
It's the exact one, actually.
See, I was thinking about taking the little charger thing off as well, but
Oh,
I don't think I'm gonna do that until I do the other stuff I'm doing to this car.
I got you. Sorry about that.
So you use that 3M adhesive remover?
You can use 3M. I just use Goo Gone Automotive.
Okay, yeah, a lot of people use that Goo Gone stuff.
Goo Gone Automotive. As you can see, most of it just comes right off. So
Yep.
once you do that, you just take the adhesive remover, remove all the residue.
Sweet. All right, as y'all see, that's all you gotta do. Just pop it off and press it. Yep, just use that.
Let it sit for a couple minutes.
It already look better though, without those letters on there.
It'll soak into the adhesive and then it'll take it off. Because you don't want to scrub the plastic because you'll leave scratch marks.
Right. Yep. Looking clean already.
Hey, Remy.
All right.
Remy.
Next step, get this all cleaned up, and then we're gonna start on the overlays.
I got a new design on mine right now. I'll show you here in a second. It's not released yet.
I won't leak it.
Do it?
I said I won't leak it.
Yeah, don't. You can't show it yet.
Nah.
Okay. I monitor this fucking kid. What are you doing? Come on. Come here.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Looking sweet already. Like,
I love it, man. I love doing this shit.
yeah, that's gonna be hard.
It is. Good move. Definitely will be one of one, I can tell you that.
Huh?
You will be one of one.
For sure.
And I like the thought of that.
See, I try to be creative. Like even with the rap I'm doing, I'm trying to be way different.
Right. So what are you looking at?
I don't want to say it yet.
I don't blame you, bro.
But I do want to tell you what I want to do outside of, like, you know, the whole thing I just said with the top half and all that.
Yeah.
It's something else I'm gonna be doing as well. That thing's just gonna look sweet. Oh yeah. She look better already. It's clean.
This design where the sides are just bought out. Actually, I'm gonna do that real quick because I'm gonna sell that. You're gonna be posted on my product page. Seriously.
Hey, that's gonna be hard though. Just like with the sides out.
I know. I don't sell it right now. I don't think I'm gonna do that now.
Yep. If you need some work done, you need to order some overlays, custom designs, hit up Day Custom Creations on IG. I'm gonna post the link in the bio or in the description. And yep, just hit them up anytime you need something. You showing off my junky trunk?
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
Nah, you good. You good. I'm messing.
I usually ask. I'm sorry.
Nah, you cool. You cool. There's nothing back there but a bunch of
Shit.
microfiber towels and a bucket. Like,
A bucket.
I have to put that bucket to use today. I need to clean them rim with them tires.
You got a scrubber?
Yep.
The best part.
Yeah, that's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be sweet.
Reset your lights because there's a timer. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's hard. That's sweet. I like that. Ooh, it's clean. That's clean.
I'm just excited as you are. I'm just concentrating.
Bruh, that's clean.
What was that?
That is clean.
It is clean.
Ooh-wee. Yep.
Get this part. Let me close this off. If I can get it.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
Whew. That's nasty. Yep. It's a clean look, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure y'all hit up Day on IG. I'm gonna post this link in the description. And if you want something not similar, don't be like me. But if you want something custom made, make sure you hit them up. And there you have it.
Sorry, I'll get a video.
Alright, you good. Just make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Give y'all one more look. It's gonna be loud.